Tired of complicated payment methods? Let's unlock seamless Zoom meetings with GCash, your go-to mobile wallet in the Philippines. First things first, make sure you have a verified GCash account with sufficient funds. If you don't have funds, you can cash in through banks, convenience stores, or other GCash partner outlets. Now head over to the Zoom website and log into your account. Navigate to the plans and pricing page and choose the Zoom plan that best fits your needs and click upgrade. When you reach the payment page, you'll usually see options for credit card or PayPal. Don't worry about those. Scroll down. Look for a link or section that says something like other payment options or more payment methods. You may see an option called PayMaya or credit debit card via PayMaya. PayMaya is linked with GCash and this is how you pay. Select that option. You'll be redirected to the PayMaya payment gateway. Look for the Pay with PayMaya option. It will ask you for a payment method. Enter your verified GCash mobile number, the same mobile number you used for your PayMaya account. Then verify your identity by entering the one-time PIN they send via SMS. Finally, review your order and click Pay. Once the payment is processed, you'll be redirected back to Zoom with a confirmation message, and that's it. You've successfully paid for Zoom using GCash. Happy Zooming!